ang saying sa mga Bisaya, salig lang ay paglaom. What's up mga Bugoy? Welcome back to another episode of the Bugoy Late Night Talks. So, if you notice it, it's still not nighttime actually, it's still daytime. But I called this segment Bugoy Late Night Talks because this is our conversation before we sleep or before the day ends. So anyways, our topic for today is about change. Do people really change, especially in a relationship? What do you think?
Yeah, of course, definitely. People really change, even if they're not in a relationship, but especially if you are in a relationship, because you are exposed to someone who can influence you. Like, you're opening yourself to another person who can influence you, and of course, you will change.
Exactly. Actually, me, myself, I don't do this kind of stuff. Just now, like, she influenced me with all this vlogging, blogging, and even I'm not even shy in the camera now because of her. But it's not bad. I mean, I can see myself improving. I mean, before I was like, sige lang kong gawas, nadto po sa akong barkada, magtong-it, magpusoy.
Yes.
So, but now, like slowly, nawagtang na siya ng mga vices.
And I didn't ask him to.
Yeah, she didn't ask me. She didn't force me to stop it. Because being with her is like more interesting. Like, I can learn. I learned a lot actually. So yeah, people change. But I think it really depends. Like, is it for the better or maybe it's gonna be for worst?
I think that's when conflict starts, because when like people change, that's normal. Conflict starts when our expectation of their change is different from what actually happened or how they change. So for example, like what you said,
Yeah.
na like there's a handsome person but then he's not so kind. Like, you will notice na like the way he treats like waiters, okay, he's a bit rude, but then you will think, oh, maybe he will change when he like we're in a relationship already. But then that kind of expectation will just lead you to disappointments in the future.
Yeah, maybe in the future, he or she will not change. He's still or she's still maldita, walay batasan. Yeah, guwapo, but nag-agwanta ka because she's like a good-looking guy or girl. But yeah, nah.
Humanap ka ng pangit.
Umanap ka ng pangit at ibigin mong tunay. No, actually that's not. I mean, yeah, it depends also. But maybe in another topic.
Another example is that, for example, a cheater, like this person, for example, you cheated on me already. You cheated on me already. And then you promise that I will change, I will not be like this anymore, blah 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 blah. And then I will say, okay, I will believe you, I will trust you because you say that you will change. Like, that's something that you have to also kind of use your emotional and mental, you know, like intuition. Because of course, like, people have to show that they change. Like, they can't just say, nah, I'm going to change. They have to show it to you, and they would have to walk the talk and not just say it. Like, I believe that people really change. People can be better, and people learn from their mistakes.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you set expectations though, then if they don't meet the expectations that you have set, then you're gonna be disappointed and miserable.
It's just like ang saying sa mga Bisaya, salig lang ay paglaom. Yeah. So yeah, you just hope that these people will change, but just don't expect too much because it will just lead you to disappointment. And yeah, people really change again.
Yeah,
But-
like example for me also, like he was saying earlier about him, like he was a shy person. He was not really, you know, into entertainment
I mean,
before.
not shy. I mean, camera shy.
Camera shy. Okay.
Baga, mabug na.
But for me also, like the way I deal with things now, ever since I met him and we've been together, I'm more, I can say, more emotionally and mentally mature. So I'm more open into communication, like talking about things like right away, and you know, just being open.
Yeah.
Because before I was really like, even with him when we were still starting, we were still friends, like I would not share much things with him, like, you know, I don't want to talk about my past, I don't want to talk about anything. But then later on, when he was like really, when he was showing real understanding and, you know, being really sensitive about me, that's when I started to open up. And then I changed. And then it was for the better. I'm in a happy place now. Aww. And I think we will also have to accept that each person has different stages, and we were at a stage that we were in sync and we were in a good timing, and then we're growing together. So
Growing together or change for the better together is like a really good sign of a healthy relationship, because you know, no one is left behind. You're growing at the same time, improving at the same time, which is really good.
yeah, so people change.
Yeah, people do change, especially in a relationship.
Yeah, just don't expect too much.
Alright, so we hope that you learned, or we show you some insights about this topic, and we will see you again on my next episode of the Bugoy Late Night Talks. Peace out, bye!
Bye.